Airtable works great solo, but it really shines when a team uses it correctly. Poor permissions and messy sharing cause most collaboration problems. In this video, I'll show you how to collaborate with a team in Airtable step by step in 2026 using clean and safe best practices. All right. First, make sure you're working inside a team workspace. If you don't have one, create a new workspace and name it after your team or project. All shared bases should live inside this workspace. Next, invite your team. Open workspace settings and add members using their email addresses. Everyone you invite will be able to access shared bases inside this workspace. All right. This part is critical. Airtable lets you control who can edit, comment, or only view data. Not everyone needs full edit access. Limiting permissions prevents accidental changes. Now, sharing bases and views. You can share an entire base or only specific views. If someone only needs to see data, share a read-only view instead of the full base. All right, use comments instead of messages. You can comment on individual records to discuss tasks, updates, or issues. This keeps conversations tied directly to the work. Next, assign responsibility. Use collaborator or owner fields to assign tasks or records to specific people. Clear ownership avoids confusion and missed work. Now, a monitor activity, Airtable tracks changes automatically so you can see who edited what and when. This helps teams stay accountable and fix mistakes quickly. Finally, set simple team rules. Decide who can edit structure, who updates records, and how often data is reviewed. Clear rules keep collaboration smooth as the team grows, and that's how to collaborate with a team in Airtable the right way. Good permissions, clear ownership, and structured communication make all the difference. Set it up once, and teamwork becomes much easier.